Friends, how are you today? We're going to draw two lovebirds from the words 55. Let's start the drawing. We can draw the head here. These are the eyes. Let's extend here. We can make another extension from this side. And connect it with this one. Alright. These are the few feathers here. You see how it's converted from number 55 to two birds. Little bit detailing on the tail here. Two birds are sitting on a branch of a tree. We can draw one leaf this side and another leaf on the other side. Let's put a love sign here. Alright. Now let's do some detailing over the drawing. We can put some shade. The more we make the detail, the more the drawings become interesting. So the two bird is already here. This is the drawing. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe and put the bell icons on for getting any updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.